Is your iPhone screaming storage full every time you open it? Don't panic, I've got you. In this video, I will show you quick and easy tricks to clear space fast and keep your iPhone running like new. Let's do it right now. So first of all, open your TikTok app. Then go to the search icon, type dot, click on enter. Select view your watch history. Now click on select. If you want, you can choose all watch history. This option here, then click on delete, and this will clear some space on your iPhone for you.
Not be juju be that.
Another setting is, let's go to WhatsApp. Go to settings and locate or select storage and data. Manage storage. Now this is where you see the space that WhatsApp is taking from your iPhone storage. So for example, if I want to delete this second one here, I'll just click on it, then select, I'll choose select all, then click on delete. Doing this will also help clear more space on your iPhone for you. And the last one that you are going to love it is that go to your settings, scroll down till you see apps. Now let's look for Safari. So there is the Safari. Now scroll down till you see advanced, then go to website data, the first one. So here you can see the available space some of the websites are taking on your iPhone or your iOS devices. So scroll down and select remove all website data. And that's how you fix the iPhone storage full problem. Quick and easy. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more iPhone tips and tech hacks. See you in the next video.